We want to find the derivative of g of x equals 3 raised to the x plus 2, which is all in the exponent. And to do so, we're going to start by rewriting this using properties of exponents. This is the same as 3 raised to the x times 3 to the 2, which is 3 raised to the x times 9. And if we want, we could rewrite it with the 9 out front to make it look more like our rules. 9 times 3 to the x. Now 9 is not being raised to the x, which is a very important point to make here, because only the 3 to the x is going to be involved in the derivative. So when we go to find g prime of x, the constant, which is 9, will still be in our derivative, so 9. Now we do times the derivative of 3 to the x, which is itself 3 to the x, times natural log of the base. And we can write this in different orders. For instance, we might write it as 9 times natural log of 3 times 3 to the x.